Learning by doing, you're like giving yourself experience that you can take into the professional world in a way that reading a book, taking a test, having text-based knowledge might not necessarily prepare you.
Dana Clements just bought the Noyes Art Gallery, and Dana and I met in a class, and she asked me to show my work at the gallery. And now I know a gallery owner because I went to class at UNL, so that's crazy.
The basic rules of story are universal, and so we teach them, and then we throw as many different formats at the students as we possibly can. They're not just doing slide decks or presentations here, they're actually building a full experience that an audience is going to go through.
We talked to 2 actors from Chicago and 2 actors from LA. Just getting to talk to the people, we have what we need to be successful when we leave here.
We've gone to London 3 years in a row now, and that's really exciting because a lot of the video clips I show in a class like extended theater, all of a sudden students are walking around experiencing it. Oh yeah, I remember watching this in class, and now I'm actually experiencing it.
With these heads, they come out of a mold, right? And then I face them and then paint them. These have gone off and been shown in like galleries, and they've sold, and they live in people's outdoor spaces and indoor spaces, so that's wonderful.
I've played gigs around town a lot. I've played with like the Omaha Symphony. You're getting your foot in the door, getting these jobs and opportunities, and there are plenty of those for music students.
A lot of our students intern in New York and San Francisco and LA, and it's because they don't have an attitude, they're down to earth, and they work hard.
We try to make it feel like a student has, from class to rehearsal to seeing performances, that when they leave as seniors, they just walk into the industry and feel like they've already prepared for anything and everything that's going to come their way.